Okay. I'm gonna get my computer. I'm gonna power it up. This is my new computer. Fall off, stupid. Let me get computer. Alright, I have my computer. I'm going to turn it on. And see it loading up here. And there it's on. It did the ding ding.
Address and search bar. Edit text. URL entry. New tab. Google Chrome. Guest. Window. Press up or down arrow for auto completions. Type to auto complete. Chromebox spoken feedback is ready. Exit guest. Button. Status tray. Time 6:43 p.m. Battery at 78% and charging. Dialog. Window. Press search plus space to activate. Search your device, apps, and web. Use the arrow key. Chrome, but search your device, apps, expand to all app settings, button. Search your device, expand to all app settings, button. Search your device, expand to all settings, button. Press search plus space tag. Search your device, apps, and web. Use the arrow keys to navigate your apps. Edit text. Chrome, search your device, space. Settings. Search your device, apps, and web. Use the arrow keys to navigate. Address and search. List item. 1 of 6. List box. With 6 items. Window. New tab. Web content. Press slash to jump to the search box. Google search. Search, apostrophe, collapsed, combo box, search. Use search left or right for home or end, apostrophe. End of text. Window, search, apostrophe, collapsed, combo box, Google search, single quote dash, Google search, Google Chrome, guest, window. Use search left or right for home or end. Search control left or right for control home or end. Search up or down for page up or down. Press up or down arrow for auto completions. Type to auto complete. O U T U B E apostrophe YouTube TV list item 2 of 10 list box with 10 items. YouTube TV, Google search. YouTube TV, Google search. Search your device, apps, and web. Use the arrow keys to navigate your apps. Edit text, window, alert, Chrome, button. Expand to all apps, button. Press search plus space to activate. Search your device, apps, and web. Use the arrow Chrome. Search your device, Chrome, button. Search your device, apps, and web. Use the arrow keys to navigate your apps. Edit text, YouTube TV, Google search. Press slash to jump to the search box. Window. Power, menu, with 2 items. Press up or down arrow, power off. Exit guest, menu item, 2 of 2. Exit get power off, menu item, 1 of 2. Power off, menu item, 1 of 2.
So that's what my computer sounds like.